Hi folks!
Hi, this is Tobias, DL3 MHT.
And Jürgen, Oscar Echo 4 Juliet Hotel Whiskey in Delta Lima. We are circling around Munich and we are on the way to the TEHRS meetup in Pforzheim in the gate to Black Forest.
And we are looking forward to it. A few more hours on the road and we are happy to see you all.
Yeah.
Bye!
Hit the road, check.
Exactly.
See you there.
Bye guys.
Welcome to day 2 of the TEHRS Photo Meetup, or the TEHRS Meetup. Today's not going to be photo, or it's going to be photo, but also it's going to be a SOTA with a cable car in the Black Forest National Park. So it's going to be a SOTA and a photo. No idea how many points to this. I'll overlay that somewhere on the screen so you can see that as some of it is. So now I'm just going to gather my gear. We're going to meet up in the lobby and figure out who's riding with who and everything. So I'll see you when we get there.
So again, we are on the way to a summit now, and Google Maps routed us off the Autobahn, and it seems by the traffic here that Google Maps routed everyone off the Autobahn. So we'll see how this works. Turned out to be a pretty long drive there, but I'm guessing it's going to be worth it. This is a cable car going up, so looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too. For the video.
Just for the video, yeah.
Welcome to the German Autobahn.
Let's see if I can hold the camera steady.
Okay. It's not very fuel efficient. So.
I'm not sure how well this comes out with the wide angle lens of this camera, but we're closing in on the mountains here. The summit we're going to today is going to be at 1,400 meters above sea level, which is going to be nice. Hopefully a little bit cooler there. It's about 30 some degrees outside now. 34 degrees according to Jürgen here. So and I'm guessing we're going up a couple of elevation meters before we reach the summit here. And as Jürgen said, for an Austrian to go to the mountains of Germany is like bringing sand to the Sahara. So looking forward to this. A little bit longer drive than expected, but hopefully it's worth it. And having a cable car to the summit today with the temperatures is probably a good thing. So we just passed 1,000 meter elevation above sea level, which in Norway would be well above the tree line. But in Germany, we're still within the tree line. And we've been driving upwards for quite a while now. And we have about 10 minutes to get to the cable car station now. So that's going to be good. And then we'll start our summit adventure. We're the first to arrive at the cable car. Jürgen's over there trying to pay. We're going to take those gondolas over there up to the summit, which is 1,400 meters above sea level. And the station is there and it says 1,094 meters above sea level. So we're 1,000 meters above sea level now. So that's going to be good. About 400 more elevation meters to go.
How much?
400. The summit's at 1,400 meters above sea level. And Tobias is getting ready to film professionally with his camera around his chest.
The tourist style.
Tourist style, yeah.
Am I straight, Morten? Do I have to...
Don't you have that auto horizon thingy?
I'm not sure. Maybe I should enable that.
You go again, Jürgen.
I said you have to trust Austrian engineering because I'm pretty sure this is made in Austria.
So LB5JJ Bob, I got a message for you. You said there was a cable car to the summit. No, there's not. There's a cable car to 100 elevation meters below the summit, which is not a cable car to the summit. If I knew I'd hike these elevation meters, I'd pack a different bag.
Almost there.
I think we're almost there. Yeah, I think we got the cross over there, but not sure where we'll set up. I guess the cross is at the summit proper. But I mean, look at this view that the camera doesn't at all capture properly. Parks and summits on the air, CQ Parks and summits on the air, CQ Parks and summits on the air. This is Delta Lima stroke Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Delta Lima stroke Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India for parks and summits on the air. Delta Lima stroke Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India for parks and summits on the air. Delta Lima stroke Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India for parks and summits. Any calls anywhere? Okay, Sierra Victor 1, go ahead. Sierra Victor 1, Romeo Victor Charlie, is that QSL? Radio Victor Japan, thank you Kyakos. You're 5 and 5, 55 into the summit in Germany, and thank you very much for answering my QSO.
Thank you, have a nice day,
73, and just for information, we are a lot of operators here. We'll be doing 4 QSOs and then switching operators, so 4 QSOs, new operator, so please pay attention.
Tango, buenas tardes Manuel, tu señal 59. Gracias amigo 73, bye bye, ciao, un abrazo, QZ. Charlie Tango 1 Bravo Charlie Tango 1 Bravo Quebec Hotel. Joao, nice to meet you, you're 5 and 9.
Yeah, okay, nice.
The Echo Alpha 2 station. Echo Alpha 2, Alpha Juliet Oscar, you're 5-9, 5-9 to depart, QSL.
Okay, go report is 55 go report, the Echo Alpha 2, Alpha Juliet Oscar. 73.
Okay, the station ending in hotel.
And now we have Tobias over here trying 2 meters. Let's see how he's doing. How's it going, Tobias?
Not good. 2 meter is a tough business in best times.
Yeah, we figured that out. I only made contact with Thomas, who was 2 meters away from me on 2 meters.
Yeah, I got the guys on the other summit briefly.
Okay, that's good.
So one real QSO basically.
But there's good HF conditions, so at least people are hunting. So if you want your QSOs and get the summit, you can always get
okay, I
over there.
can come over
Yeah.
with you. Okay.
I'd do that if I were you.
Okay, I try and see what I can get and fill the rest with HF then.
Yeah,
And walk over.
Fill the rest with HF, and then we'll do park to parks and 2 meters for the rest of the activation. But we're doing four QSOs and split or shifting operator, because
Yeah.
then everyone gets the summit, and we can do the parks
Yeah,
and
and
2
it's
meters.
not so confusing for the guys who are hunting.
Yeah, but that's not our problem.
Well, in a way it's a problem if you're frustrating everybody.
Yeah, but they don't seem frustrated.
Okay. Well,
Mike 1 Sierra Delta Hotel, this is Delta Lima, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India 59 plus 60.
Yeah, roger, thank you, Morton. Delta Lima, Lima Bravo 0, Foxtrot, India. There's no plus 60 dB on this little power bang, but you're filling the meter, so I don't know how powerful that is, but you're 5 and 9. Thank you, 73.
Yeah, you're also 5 and 9, and well, meter is full.
You are nice signal, 58, 58 there into Sweden.
Thank you for the 58. Have a nice day and all the best there, 73.
And we have spotted a YouTuber in his natural habitat. Film and ham radio operators.
yeah, very modestly equipped with
Two mics.
microphones because I'm vain and need 2 microphones.
Yeah,
for
you
perfect
can
audio.
record in stereo.
Exactly.
But I just gotta say, Germany, your summits don't disappoint. This is a 10-pointer, virtually with no effort to get up here. Cable car from 1100, driving to 1100 meters above sea level. Cable car for the last 200-ish elevation meters, and then 100 elevation meter trail to go up. Thank you, Germany. So we're on our way up to Valberg for a historical tour by the local radio club, by Chris, the club president. We're a little bit late, but hopefully this will still be interesting. And we're not the core of the party that's stuck on the Autobahn in Stau, so we're good. Thomas and Umar and the guys from Oslo, they're stuck. And it's running about 2 hours late because traffic isn't moving on the Autobahn. How's that for German efficiency?
Which is Portus. Portus is Latin for harbor. And this was beginning of Pforzheim.
Wow.
And some years later on, we had the Golden City, because in 700 and something, they started producing watches and jewelry down here at Pforzheim. And up to now, it's the only city in Germany which having a school for jewelry and watchmaking down here. So this was beginning of Goat Town.
Joy of being in a foreign country is not always knowing where we're going, but Jürgen has Google Maps on his phone. We managed to find a parking place for dinner, so let's see if we can find dinner actually.
It's harder and harder to trust Google Maps.
Yeah, there should be, we should use TEHRS, I think.
Yeah,
Yep.
much better.
TEHRS is better, so if anyone wants to do turn-by-turn navigation for TEHRS, please go ahead and do it. It's hard to trust Google, and now the GPS is leading us back the same way we came. But we're looking forward to German beer and German meat. Hopefully it'll be like the German solids, so we'll see what happens. But I'm thinking this is going to be good.
Der Berliner schmutzig Mädchen. Eine sehr gemütlich.
So, Omar and Thomas, can you explain to the audience what you're doing?
We are doing the hard work for you.
Yeah, we're doing the hard work for you.
Yeah.
It's swiping left or right.
Yeah. That's a good.
No, don't.
Had a nice dog.
No.
No.
Oh,